Hi, I'm Megan Murphy. Do you want to take your pantry from zero to hero? I'm going to show you how. Come on in. I use clear canisters to store my cereal. It's easy access for the kids, and I can see when I'm running low, so I can go to my backup and refill fast. I like my pantry organized. I stash my small appliances that I rarely use in pretty baskets out of reach. Things like the electric mixer that comes out twice a year. One of my favorite organizers is an ice cube tray. Perfect for things like that key that goes to, I don't know what, or our Team Murphy box tops. Wait, where's my phone? Oh, yay, thank you. Do you know there is now a box top app that lets you scan your box tops and sort them and store them virtually? I mean, talk about cutting clutter. And that's it. Now, could you leave so I can snack in peace?